The chef decorated the food. The woman decorated the snowman. The chef decorated the food on the plates. The woman decorated the gift with a bow. The children decorated the Easter eggs. The woman decorated the cake. The woman decorated the biscuits with a pastry bag. The family decorated the Christmas tree with tinsel and baubles. The woman decorated her white wall with pictures. The Italian chef decorated the pizza. The child decorated the cookies with an icing bag. The gardener decorated the garden with wooden snowmen. The gardener decorated the garden with a fountain in the middle. The girl decorated the pumpkin for Halloween. The woman decorated the Christmas presents. The child decorated the gingerbread men with happy faces. The graffiti artist decorated the wall with graffiti. The children decorated the window for Christmas. The woman decorated the outside of the house with flowers. The woman decorated the front of the house with holly. The man decorated the outside of the house with Christmas lights. The woman decorated the bedroom in a very modern way. The barman decorated the drink with pink peppers. The woman decorated the ceramic pot. The confectioner decorated the cake with strawberries.